This 2020 Grand Design Reflection 320 MKS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features leveling jacks, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, spare tire kit, awning, skylight, stovetop burner, TV, LP detector. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.